Llandudno. Oh dear, Friday, the 3rd of October, 2025. This is supposed to be stormamy. It's shaking the car. Oh, it's woof. That's no, that church is a business centre. My goodness. My goodness. I think there's going to be some trees falling down. This is climate change, driven the most by, what do you call it, animal agriculture, because 80% of usable land of the planet is being used to grow food, to feed 80 billion land animals, and per year, which are raised and fed, yeah, so you imagine the amount of food they need to eat, 80 billion, and we're only 8 billion humans. We're talking 10 times that number eating and pooping farm animals, and yeah, per year 80 billion, and I mean, so 80% of usable land, you know, you can't grow it on the top of a mountain, is growing food for them. Deforestation of the Amazon, for example, is driven, 80% of it, the cause of it is to grow soy. Even Britain imports 40% of the soy it imports to feed farm animals here in Britain. Well, these allegedly pasture-raised animals, they still need proper food because, you know, they can't eat grass in the, you know, even if they are outside the 1% of them. You know, yeah. Anyway, the point is, 40% of it comes from the Amazon. Yeah, so let's not pretend, yeah, that we want to save an orangutan or whatever, wherever them lot are, when we're eating chickens and cows and steaks. We're going to leave the planet totally devoid of any wildlife because all the habitats. That's why there's only I don't know, how many is it? 4,000 wild tigers left. I mean, it's incredible, isn't it? 4,000 wild tigers only left in the entire world. There's more tigers than zoos. They'll never go back to the wild because, I mean, you know, the habitats have been destroyed. I mean, who do you think we're fooling ourselves? We just have them in zoos because we like gawping at them. Anyway, I'm going to go out so you can hear it. Oh, watch the door because you know I can rip the door. Wow, that's the Great Order. It's quite exciting, isn't it? Yeah. Ooh. Well, all that one's not looking too. Oh, they've cut it, thank goodness. They're going to cut it back down. Oh, all right, there's no need to hoot. You're not stepping out, you flat. Honestly, people are so quick to hoot, aren't they? Oh, there's going to be trees down all over the media will have not much to do apart from whinging about it, making great drama out of it. Whew, there we go. That's it. You've seen the stormamy.